As a kid, I always knew I wanted to be involved with animals. My dream is actually higher education into a master's/doctorate program into paleontology. I am actually involved in taking care of our animals there too. So all of our snakes, we don't have any spiders yet. I'm trying to change that, but our creepy crawlies and whatnot. So a general misconception of animals is that they are mindless things, but once you get to know them and once you get to experience what feels like, there's a whole other aspect of creation that really is reflected in our wildlife biology program. When it comes to opportunities, it's literally the possibilities are endless. We have, I would argue, one of the best programs on this side of the country, which is a lot saying that we have California right beside us, give or take. But I think that our program offers a lot of connections. I've made a lot of connections that are really useful for my future, a lot of opportunities to pursue something deeper than just conservation, but also just the friendships that you make that are also connections. But when it comes to teaching people in all forms of this, inspiring awe is really the threshold of everything. I don't believe you can see God without seeing the awesome power that comes out of him. So I can't look at a frog and hear how it croaks, or I can't think of philosophers or theologians and see how their lives have reflected, or even just little stuff, how humanity is and everything. There's nothing in that that doesn't have some portion of God involved in it. But when it comes to just that understanding of people and creation and literally, what is our place in this world with a God and with creation? That's for people to figure out. That's their relationship with God, and I would like to help them see that awesome power, see that wonder when you look outside and you see it's snowing or the stars or whatever, and everything. It doesn't even have to just be nature. Nothing out there can't be embodied in here. And I feel like that's what the Spirit is. I don't want to go on preaching here because I could be out here all day, but God isn't just out there, he's in here too. So how can I express what's in here out there, so to speak?